Today I want to show you how to configure a view to not display at all when there is no content. Now if you look at this blog post, not a blog post, it is a note. I have a view here that says similar post. Now this is a block view, and right now we do have some items in the list in this particular view. Now if I show you the same, if I show you maybe one more another note, let us say I'll open this one for example. I don't really have that similar post, similar block, because there are no items in this particular note based on, of course, the tags. So in the last video we talked about how to create a view to display a similar post, but there is also one more interesting configuration that you can do if you go to the advanced section of your view, and there is one option here called hide block if the view output is empty. So let me change it to no. I'll basically uncheck it. So right now it is hide block if the view output is empty. So this is no. And if I show you the same block, same note where we do have where we do not have any tag matching some other note. Let me just refresh this page, and now we have this block view title displaying with nothing. Now there are a few things that you can do here. Maybe you want to display a title, but when there is no item to be displayed, maybe you can display something like a no result behavior. For example, you can add something like a text or a message, maybe in the message area, or maybe you can display some text. So whenever you have nothing to display, you can display no items or whatever, something custom. But what I prefer, I keep this hide block if the view output is empty always ticked. So these are few configurations that I have in my view, in most of my views, where I prefer not displaying any title because it doesn't really make sense. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.